Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make easy and quick ranch-flavored pumpkin seeds right from the air fryer. For the ingredients, you'll need a cup of dried pumpkin seeds, avocado or olive oil, pepper, and ranch seasoning. First, preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees for 10 minutes. As it's preheating, pour half a teaspoon of oil into the seeds. Then add 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning, a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper, and mix. Pour it in the air fryer in a single layer and cook, making sure to stir it one time during the air fry process. I ended up only cooking mine for 8 minutes so they wouldn't burn. And that's it! These are actually so tasty, but I recommend waiting until they cool to get the better flavor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.